What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this ultra thin Aramid Fiber Woven fiber case here from the folks at Pitaka. This is an awesome way to be able to level up your iPhone 17 Pro Max with a very durable, lightweight, and very thin Aramid Fiber case. This is the black case. They have Moonrise. They've also got a couple of other colors so you can choose from. What's great about this is they have embedded into it magnets for you still to be able to use MagSafe and charge through Qi2 charging. They've got cutouts here for your I/O, including your buttons, and then they even have a dedicated button for your camera control button. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you're getting yourself into. Let's go and put the phone away here. You can see the phone case is really lightweight. Unboxing's nice and sleek, and they have a couple of accessories here to help reinforce it with these little stickers here that you can place on the back of your phone here for your pleasure. As you can see here, they've got infused these MagSafe magnets as well as the anchor. They've got the camera control button as well as cutouts for the rest of your I/O, as well as this nice little polycarbonate protection there for your camera plateau. The Aramid Fiber looks so sleek. It's really nice. It's got a nice little feel, and you can definitely see the grooves there. And it's ultra thin and lightweight. Placing on here for the first time is super easy. You can see there, it just grips right onto the phone. It does grab around the bezel here, and it has a little bit of a lip, so if it lands on its face, it's not gonna be scratching your screen. It will protect on the case. You can see here on the back side, the Aramid Fiber looks really nice, juxtaposed against the phone that you opted into. The camera plateau is protected. You've got all of your I/O that are exposed here, as well as the power button, and then you even have your camera control button, which still has full functionality, which I think is nice. On the bottom side there, you have access to your I/O, which is no problem. You have a couple of different options here you can throw on. Their Aramid Fiber wallet. This is a MagSafe wallet that I'd highly recommend. It's not going anywhere. It holds a couple of cards here, and it's super sleek to be able to have. They also have a key ring if you wanted to throw on here. This one is the black Aramid Fiber one as well. This is nice for taking calls, having it to hold on here for extra grip, and it even folds out as a kickstand, which I think is one of its best features. You can scroll, game, stream, watch. You can even use this for reels, shorts, you name it. I really like that. Really sleek. Otherwise, if you wanted to throw something on here like a battery charger, 5,000 milliamp battery, 15 watts, giving you nice Qi2 charging standard there for your daily carry. I like that. With that said, this is one of my favorite cases, ultra thin, really nice, lightweight. I really like how you still have the option to be able to use your camera control. It's really sleek, super thin, and it's really protective. Aramid Fiber is one of my favorite products to be able to throw on your phone, and here's an awesome case for you to use it with. With that said, the folks at Pitaka provided this to me complimentary and sponsored this video.